Today we will review one of the cheapest dash cams available in the market, that is Smart Dashcam Pro X. So this is the product from Hero Group. So let's open what's inside. So if you open inside the box, you will see a couple of manuals, and this is the actual product. And you have an adapter, and you have a cable which they claim to be, I think, if I'm not wrong, it is 3 meters. And this is a tool, I think, for the installation. And this is this I'll maybe I'll let you know what is this. And this is an additional adhesive, I guess. So these are the items which are available in the box. So this is the actual product. So this actually looks bigger than what you see in the website. The build quality is it looks great, and what I mean is we don't feel it as a cheap product. And it has a C-type power adapter, power connector. Then we need to have a separate SD card. They don't provide SD card along with the camera. So when it comes to the technical specification, this product meets all the requirements which are required for a product which is used inside a car. When it comes to camera and recording specifications, the recording resolution is 1296 pixel, and image resolution is 1920 and 1080. It records in MP4 format and records at 30 frames per second. It also has a G sensor which can sense any accidents and act accordingly. It has night vision built in. It doesn't comes with the GPS, and the connectivity is through local Wi-Fi. The storage capacity is supported up to 1 TB. So in this video I won't cover much of the specification because it is available in most of the videos, and it is also available in the website. I'll be focusing mostly on the quality of the product, quality of the recording, and such aspects which helps us to decide whether we can buy this product or not. So this is a removable feature where you can disconnect your camera, and you just have to, I think, press this button and insert. So it's a portable one. When once mounted, you can rotate the camera wherever you want and position it. There's a power button. This, I think, is a speaker. This is a mic. So maybe we'll go for the installation and we'll quickly see the recording quality. This has to be connected to this port. Then you have adapter. Just connect this. Then wherever you have 12 volt supply in your vehicle, you just have to plug in. So whenever you switch on the car, it will power on like this. Now you will have to power on your camera. Yeah, now camera is powered on.
Qubo Dashcam is ready for setup. Follow the instruction from Qubo app.
So I'm using a Samsung SD card 128 GB for the dash cam. So you just have to insert in the specified direction.
SD card inserted. Please wait restarting.
So now you have inserted SD card. Go to the Qubo app, which I have already downloaded. Then search for the device. You select the device. So you just have to follow the instruction. Now it is connected. You go back to the app. Dash cam connected. So now the setup is completed.
Qubo Dashcam is ready for use now.
Now the device is connected to your mobile. So as you can see, the recording is visible. Now you can go ahead with pasting your camera to the windscreen. So you can adjust your angle by, you can position the camera by viewing at the recording. Once position is frozen, before that stick this electrostatic sheet to the windscreen. This is for better adhesion of the camera to your windscreen without leaving any mark of the adhesive. So I'll just open. Now just peel off the adhesive. Now the camera setup is almost completed. Whatever the lengthy wire that they have given, that is given for the proper routing of the cables. So this is how you can route the cable by yourself. But what I suggest is you take it to the nearest mechanic and get it done by a professional. There are chances you can damage the parts of the vehicle. If in case if you are unable to do it, better take it to a nearest mechanic. So he will be able to do a good job. So this is the actual recording from the camera. As you can see, the camera quality is very good, and the entire width of the road is covered from end to end. And this quality is during the daylight. So I'll also show you the camera quality in the night. So even in the night, the image quality or the video quality is equally good. And even in low lighting conditions, the objects are very clear. And I think this product is value for money, and it is a very good choice to buy. And one thing I suggest during installation is that you properly clean the the front glass before you paste that electrostatic sheet. Otherwise you will end up having some air bubbles inside. And also always try to keep the windscreen or the glass in front of the camera clean. Otherwise you will see this light scattering, as you can see here. So for a good recording, always ensure a clean windscreen. So otherwise I feel this is a very good product to buy, and a very quality product. So if you need any more information, you can ask me in comment section. I'll be happy to respond to you. Thank you so much.